Good day everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, dito po tayo ngayon sa Edgewood Place, San Valley, Inarawan, Antipolo City to feature ang ating Agape house and lot for sale. But before we continue with this video, I would like to invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click the little bell so that you will be notified every time we have a new video dito sa San Valley and Perch. My name is Jen. Let's start the house tour. So, let's take a look guys. So, ito yung pinaka-carport natin. And, this is the pedestrian gate. Okay, so let's see. Ayan. So, request to ni Sir Robert. So, ina-update ko lang kayo guys kasi ito, na-feature ko na to last January. And, malapit na rin siyang matapos. Okay, so this is the carport. Okay, so meron pa dito plant box. Yan, dyan mo ilalagay mga plants mo. May nakatanim na din, no, guys. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-ceiling. It has lights and fixtures. And kasya dito ang 2 cars. Okay, ayan. And meron ka ditong pocket garden, guys. And this is your porch leading to your main entry door. So let's take a look. Meron na rin siyang CCTV guys. This is your main entry door. And this is a smart lock. Welcome to your dream home. Wow. Okay, so let's take a look guys. So this is the living room. Okay, let's take a look at the ceilings. It has lights and fixtures. Modern design na ating mga lights. It has an awning window and a fixed window. Nice. Okay, and on your right side, meron ka agad na first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. Okay, so meron siyang sliding window. Meron na rin siyang aircon, lights and fixtures, and with built-in cabinet. It has toilet and bath, shower. Okay, so tiles na ginamit dito sa floor. And this is your first bedroom, guys. It has built-in cabinet. And so, marami kang storage here. Okay, so ang next natin is your dining area. Okay, so this is your dining area, guys. Okay, so it has lights and fixtures. Ang ganda ng kanyang lights. Modern chandelier for your dining table. It can fit 6 to 8 dining table set. Okay, and on your left, okay, so we have a big sliding door leading to your swimming pool. Okay, so guys, this is your swimming pool. Okay, so ang maganda pala dito guys, may access siya, siya to your garage. Wow, ayan na, diba? So meron kang exit dito. Okay, so ito yung pinaka swimming pool nyo guys. Okay, so may shower ka na dito. And faucet. It has also lights. Ayan, may mga inaayos pa sila dito guys. And this is your pool. And meron ka ditong design, wall design. So this is your another pool. This is your swimming pool. Nice. So ang maganda dito sa house na to guys, ayan, minmaximize yung space. Again, the lot area of 151 square meter and a floor area of 400 square meter. This is your dining area. And this is your formal kitchen. Okay, so you have the lights and fixtures. And this is your counter tabletop. Granite yung ginamit natin dito. And this is your modular cabinets. Nice ang design. And you have an open shelves and awning window, a fixed window. Okay, so you have here a double sink. Ayan, tinatapos pa nila guys. You have here a cooktop. So, kompleto to guys ha. This is a fully furnished house and lot. Okay, so dito ka magpe-prepare ng food or pwede rin dito ang breakfast table mo. And ang maganda dito sa house na to, you have here a CCTV room. Wow, di ba? Parang storage room na rin siya. You have a cabinet here. And you have a CCTV room. Ganda. So, talagang na-maximize guys yung area, yung space. Okay. So, next natin is your everyday kitchen. So, you have a big sliding glass door here. And this is your everyday kitchen. You have a sliding window. And here is your everyday kitchen. Ang ganda rin niya guys, no? A double sink. You have a cooktop over here. And your base cabinets. Okay. And here is your another table. And you have space over here. Ayan, para may yung air ventilation tuloy-tuloy lang. Ayan, galing dun sa baba. Okay, so next natin is your basement. So let's take a look at the basement guys. So ano meron dito sa basement? Okay, so nice yung steps natin dito. Okay, so meron ka na namang another storage here. Okay, and you have here a toilet and bath. Nice, okay. So my staff room, it has a sliding window. Meron na rin siyang lights and fixtures. Okay, this is your laundry area. Ang ganda, no? Kompleto siya. So this is may faucet dyan. Dito yung inyong pwedeng washing machine. Okay, nice. Ang ganda. Favorite. Ayan. So, favorite ko talaga to si Agape House. Okay, so this time, let's go to your second floor. Okay. Ganda. On my right, meron tayong powder room. Okay, so let's take a look at your powder room. Okay, so it has a light, fixtures, meron rin siyang meron siyang sink. Okay, you have sink, you have the faucet. Look at the design guys, ang ganda. You have a storage here, cabinet, and your toilet. Meron na rin siyang bidet. So in the same way, bago tayo umakyat sa second floor, I'd like to invite you all to hit the subscribe button and click that little bell so that you will be notified every time we have a new video dito sa Sand Valley and the Perch. Okay, and if you have friends and relatives na looking for brand new properties, please share our video. So this is your stairs leading to your second floor. You have a storage here. Galing, no? Paano ba ito binubuksan? Ah, wow! Okay, so, dito na yung shoes mo. Galing. No? Diyan na yung shoe rack mo. And you can put a plants over here. And this is your steps leading to your second floor. Nice. So look at that. Very modern design. Okay. In here in your second floor, we have 3 bedrooms. Okay. So unahin natin yung dalawa. But in the same way, this property is selling in the market for 25 million, fully furnished. Let's take a look on your first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. Wow. Okay, so it has lights and fixtures. Meron din siyang built-in cabinet. Pwede dito mga queen size bed. Okay, and you have here the toilet and bath. Okay, you have a sink. Nice yung kanyang bathroom tiles na ginamit. You have a shower. And you have a toilet with bidet na rin siya. Okay, nice. Ang ginamit din na flooring dito ay hindi rin siya madulas, no? Okay, next natin. Okay, so merong door dito leading to your balcony. Wow. So meron kang view dito sa inyong first bedroom. So this is your view here. Okay. Wow, okay. So mamaya puntahan natin. Lahat po ng okay, so lahat ng ating rooms, we have an aircon. Okay, next natin is your second bedroom. Adjacent siya dito sa first bedroom. Okay, same then, it has lights and fixtures. You have built-in cabinet. Yan. And you have here the toilet and bath. You have the toilet and bath. A shower. You have a bidet. So, kompleto siya, guys. And you have a sliding window. Wow. Ganda ng view. And this door leading to your balcony. Wow, nice. Over here on my left, ayan, makikita mo na yung swimming pool. Okay? So may plants ka na rin here. Ang nice yung plants na nilagay nila. And here is your balcony. Okay. And look at the view, guys. Nice. Overlooking view. Okay, so this time, let's go to your master's bedroom. So, guys, this is your master's bedroom. Okay, smart lock na rin siya. Wow. Look at it, guys. It has a high ceiling. Okay, so meron ka ng fixed window. And this is your bedroom. Ayan. Ginagawa na yung inyong side table. Okay, so I think pwede dito ang king size. Ayan, laki. This is very spacious. Very spacious, guys, yung inyong master's bedroom. And you have here your glass sliding door leading to your balcony. Okay, so this is your view dito sa inyong balcony, guys. Okay, so may ang ganda ng wall, ang ganda ng tiles na ginamit here. May mga lights ka na rin sa gabi. Ang ganda niyan, guys. And again, this is your view sa inyong balcony. Okay. Next natin ang inyong walk-in closet, guys. Wow! Look at that, guys. Massive ang inyong walk-in closet. Actually, pwede pang isang bedroom dito, no? Okay, so it has lights and fixtures. Ang ganda, may cove light siya. Okay. Okay, so we have aircon over here. And let's take a look at your bathroom. So you have a double sink. Nice yung kanilang design ng storage. Okay, so this is your bathroom. Okay, so let's take a look at your bathroom, guys. Nice ang kanilang walls. Wow, you have a toilet and you have a bidet. Ang laki ng inyong bathroom, guys. Look at that, meron ka pang bench sa inyong right. And you have a shower over here. Kompleto na siya, guys. And a bathtub. Wow, look at that. Nice. On my right, you have a glass sliding window. Okay. Nice, ang ganda. Kita nyo na yung second floor. Let's go to your third floor. Ang ganda ng bahay na to. Again, this property is selling in the market for 25 million, fully furnished, guys. So, if you are interested to check out and buy this property, contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen. Okay, let's go to your third floor. Okay, so this is the stairs. Yung steps niya, hindi naman, very friendly ang steps natin. Okay. So this is the third floor. Again, pwede itong function area. Okay, so meron kayong glass sliding door para kung gusto nyo mag-karaoke, hindi kayo makaka-istorbo dun sa... This is your function area. Okay, but let's take a look of your powder room. Okay, so this is your powder room. You have a sink, ang cute. You have a toilet, and you have an awning window. Nice. And here, very spacious siya, guys. Ayan, oh, ang ganda. But before tayo pumunta dito, guys, sa ating roof deck, tayo muna natin dito sa function area mo. Okay, so you have lights. Let's take a look. Ayan. So you have lights and fixtures. You have here your air condition, and this is your glass sliding door, ayan, leading to your outdoor space. Diyan yung aircon mo nakalagay. Ayan. And may plants ka na rin over here. Okay, nice ang walls. Nice yung ceiling na ilagay din dito, yung design. Okay. And this is your function area na pwede ka magpa-party. Dito kapag may birthday, may mga events, Christmas, wow, New Year. Okay, so guys, okay, so meron tayong kitchen. I think this is a kitchen over here. Parang hindi ka naman bababa na para mag-prepare ng food. Wow, nice ang design. May mga open shelves ka dito and a cabinet. You have a base cabinet. And meron ka rin dito ang glass sliding window. Okay, so you have very modern ang design. Look at the chandelier na ginamit. Ang gaganda. And look at that, guys. So pag nandito ka, you have the view, no? Dahil sa mga big windows natin. Okay, so this time, let's go to your balcony. Sa inyong third floor, meron ka rin glass, big glass sliding door. And this is your view. Wow, look at that, guys. Wow. Okay, so puntahan natin dito sa right side nyo. Okay, so very spacious siya, guys. May mga lights na rin siya. And this is your view over here sa inyong right. Ayan, guys. Again, no, if you are interested to check and buy this property, nako, mag-unahan na kayo. Ang ganda kasi dito, guys. Okay, so Contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen. Ang ganda nito guys. Sulit ang 25 million mo. Again, this is fully furnished. Okay, so fully furnished siya. So, update natin kayo pag matatapos na rin talaga siya. Okay, so guys, ang lot area nito ay 141 square meter. Pero nakita nyo naman kung gaano nagamit talaga yung space dito sa house na to. So, ang kanyang floor area ay 400 square meters. So guys, again, if you are interested to check and buy this property, contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen. Okay, so this is your roof deck, guys. Wow. The stairs leading to your roof deck. Wow. Very secure ka dito, guys. Kasi hanggang roof deck meron kang CCTV. So this is your roof deck. Okay, so kung gusto mo mas mag-chill dito, pag nagkakaroon kayo mag-drinking session ng mga friends mo over here, pwede rin. Okay? So, ito yung magiging view mo naman sa inyong roof deck. Wow. Grabe, ang ganda. Okay, so guys, natapos na ang ating house tour for today and I hope na nag-enjoy ka sa ating house tour and I hope to see you on my next video. With that, guys, thank you so much. God bless everyone. Mama Mary loves you and Jesus, we trusted you.